Hey guys, Eric here. Thanks again for tuning in. As always, be sure to subscribe for more content and videos just like this. Today I want to talk about paralysis by analysis. Now you may have actually experienced this in a lot of different ways. It's the worst thing that can happen. Why? Because you can't make a concrete decision based on your fear. You think too much about it. You think, well, what if it doesn't work? Or what if I make the wrong decision? The more you think about something, the more it will hold you back. See, fear is actually a bad thing, and it's a way to really control people sometimes. But sometimes you got to think outside of the box and say, well, maybe I'll take a chance. So if someone says to you, why don't you go to school to be a doctor? Well, I don't know. I've thought about it. There's a lot of schooling. What if I don't actually get to make it in that type of career? You're thinking way too much about it. So the fact that you're thinking so much about it is actually holding you back. So you got to be open-minded about things. It's okay to make mistakes, and unfortunately in today's society, even if you make mistakes, you're judged upon, and especially by yourself, and you may be thinking, well, I'm just not good enough for that. Sometimes those mistakes will lead to different things, and as long as you've learned from those mistakes, that's when it really counts. So when it comes to paralysis by analysis, stop thinking too much about something and just make that decision. Now, you may lose some money over it, you may lose time, but the fact of the matter is, if you don't learn anything from it, then you can't go forward. So when you're making decisions, especially in a skill-based thing like affiliate marketing, you've got to think, okay, am I going to watch every YouTube video out there? Yes, you can watch a lot of YouTube videos out there, but you should invest in yourself. You should buy programs, you should check out things. That's how you make a definitive decision as to where you want to go with it. A lot of people, when they start out, they say, well, I don't know what my niche is. I don't know what I want to get into. And that's okay. You know, maybe create a mind map and create a bubble in the middle, and here's what you know about, right? And then you can branch out from that and think about the research topics based on that. Do you know enough about it? Is there a problem with a solution? You have to think about a lot of different things. It's not just one thing. So if you start up and you want to do Facebook ads for affiliate marketing in the very beginning, you may lose a lot of money because you have no direction to begin with. So stay focused and don't accept paralysis by analysis because you won't go forward. Guys, I hope that was helpful, and I hope that you are making decisions not based on fear, but based on actually trying things and testing things out. If you have questions about anything, I'd be glad to help you out and help you move forward in your business. Talk to you soon.